The three of us right now on the rooftop of the Uma Devi
How
School.
can you have Uma Devi Public School? There's the teacher who we are fasting. That's the teacher in this school.
In the
they're
section
taking the
one, in the-
breakfast.
yes, yes.
And the first section they're taking the breakfast, and we are come here to
Yeah.
in our free time.
Yeah.
We used to make a vlog.
Yeah, just
What do you want to say?
what would you like to say, Mr. Nadim sir? Anything else to say?
This day, holy vacation going on, so we
Yeah.
are here to check some copies of our students.
Yeah, and some
So
yes.
they are taking break and we are fasting. So
Yeah,
we are with them.
Yes, yes.
And we are feeling fresh by
Yeah.
this.
The
Yes.
thing
We
is-
are enjoying the nature's beauty.
Yes,
we can
yes.
say that.
Yeah.
So what do you want to say, cars, sir?
Yeah, definitely. I will for sure. I will say the thing is that what's happening in our
No,
school.
you have to first wear the
Oh,
goggles
sure.
because it
For-
looks great on you.
for sure,
How?
for sure.
Just
Actually,
look at the cars, sir. How is looking cute.
oh, thank you for the compliment. Okay, today we three of us come to the Uma Devi School because actually we had been just informed to come and do some chaos work in the school, and we three of us like alhamdulillah just completed our work, and like as of now we are just having time enjoyment,
Free time to enjoy
having
the nature.
having some fun because
And
rest of the teachers
Taking the pictures and
yes,
the
taking the
pictures
pictures.
will going to be us and
yeah, overall we are making memories,
Memories.
Yeah, that will, in the future when we will see these videos and photos, like we will have, lot of nostalgic feelings. What do you say?
yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
It will be
Yeah.
a nice
Yeah.
it will be the nice memory when we
Yeah.
what I can say that I do not have a such
Yeah, when there will be a thought in the future, definitely. We will recall all those memories. Yeah, this is what you want to say?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Now you can say, Musanif sir is looking also, extraordinarily. There is one more
but
word.
in front of you, I don't think so. I'm looking extraordinary. How you are looking?
Nadim sir, do you know one word?
Yeah.
I think there is one like very largest word
Yeah.
that is used to praise. I think super califragilis. I think expially.
Because he is the English
Yeah.
man, that's the reason
Yeah.
he is using this kinds of word. We are not able to understand their word. That's the reason.
No. Three of us.
No.
Okay.
Because he is the English faculty teacher.
Yes.
That's the
More
reason.
attractive
He is a
center
very
of
good
attraction.
in English. You
Okay,
can say
thank you.
Thank you can even
Oh,
listen his English.
Okay.
How is
Thank you.
the perfect in English?
Thank you. He is also SSC teacher, and he is going to be he's going to be an IAS
No.
officer in
This
some
is
days.
not the thing.
No,
You do not know about
thing is
my
alright.
So how
And-
can you
and
misguide?
you can
How
say-
can you
you can
misguide
see,
your misguide your public?
Don't
This
say
is
that.
not good.
And
friend.
here you
It's
can see
personal,
Nadim sir.
okay?
What do you want to become in our
He
life?
want to first marry his the life and
Yes.
हम दो हमारे दो his
Yeah, his mission.
Yeah,
It is his
हम दो
mission.
हमारे।
Yeah.
Living a good
He's already engaged. The students generally know about their
Yes,
marriage.
yes.
And then after
We really want to be a girl.
after the couple of months, he will going to be married. That's you all must come to.
Yes.
And you all must come.
He's ready.
Yeah. We are waiting.
Yeah. I and Musanif sir are very excited.
Very excited about the Nadeem sir.